In this video, we're going to simplify complex rational expressions. And you can see that it is pretty complex. We have a rational expression, right? So a fraction. And then inside that we have, in our denominator, we have really two fractions being added. It makes it look really, challenging, especially, really challenging visually. So we want to try and cancel that denominator if we can. Well, the common denominator between x and y would be xy. So we're going to multiply the denominator by xy and the numerator by xy. And that's going to make this thing look a lot simpler. So we get negative 6, x times x will be x squared, y, over, when I multiply the denominator by xy, if I take xy and distribute it, remember I have to distribute to each term here. So xy times this term would be 2xy over x. And then xy times this fraction would be negative 5xy over y. So you can see why we multiplied by xy, because the y's will cancel there and the x's will cancel. And we're left with a negative 6x squared y over y's cancel there. So that's negative 5x. X's cancel. So plus 2y. And then that's it, because we got nothing else that we can do here. This denominator, nothing can be factored out to cancel with the numerator, so we're stuck right here. But it looks a lot better than our original. Let's try another one. So simplify complex expressions, and they give us the fraction piece instead of the denominator. They give it to us in the numerator. We're going to follow the same steps though. So we'll start by multiplying by the common denominator, which is xy, right? X and y for the denominator, so the common denominator is xy. We'll multiply by xy over xy. And when we do that, remember, we're not changing the fraction itself, the rational expression, because this is just 1. The denominator is going to be negative 6x squared y. The numerator, when I distribute that to each term, right, because there's two terms there, I would get negative 2xy over y minus 5xy over x. And you can see that the y's are going to cancel there and the x's will cancel there. So we cancel the y's, cancel the x's, and we get negative 2x minus 5y over negative 6x squared y. And that's how you simplify complex rational expressions.